Hi, Tanya McNeil here, Customer Service Representative with Lower Valley Energy. Registering for online access of your Lower Valley Energy account provides an array of benefits. View your usage, pay your bill, report an outage, and updating your information. To register your Lower Valley Energy account for online access, please visit lvenergy.com. On our homepage, there is a white box on the left-hand side. Below the login credentials, you will see the link for online access account. The next screen will ask for your billing account number, last name or business name, and the email address you would like to be associated with the account. If you do not know your account number, please call LVE, as account numbers cannot be emailed due to security reasons. If you already have an email address on file, you will need to use that one. You may update that once logged in. Once you have everything entered in, hit submit. In the area below, it will then ask you for your billing zip code. This will be the mailing address zip code you have on file with LVE, and your service address zip code for your physical address you are being billed for. Then check the I'm not a robot box and hit submit. If you have issues along the way, please call one of our excellent customer service reps to verify that you are entering the correct information and double check that LVE has the correct information on file as well. At this point, you should see the congratulations screen. Now you will have to check your email to complete the process. The email will be from lvenergy@smarthub.com. The subject line will read registration. If you don't see it right away, make sure and check your junk spam folders. When you open the email, you will have to scroll down and hit the blue verify account. It will automatically send you to a screen where it asks for your email address and to create and confirm a new password. The next screen asks if you would like to turn off your paper bills. We encourage our members to go paperless. However, if you'd like to continue to receive a mailed copy, choose no. Congratulations. Now you are at your account screen. You are officially enrolled in Lower Valley Energy's online portal, SmartHub.